What's good, everybody? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another video. And right now I'm going to show you something that maybe you guys did not know. All right, as you guys know, Trusted Signals is the #1 indicator in the world. I have a ton of videos coming, but not only on Trusted Signals, on other things as well. So I'm so excited for you guys to be watching my channel. Make sure that you like, subscribe, join my free Discord in the chat below. All right, but this video is going to show you guys how to get Trusted Signals for free. All right, and check this out. I am right now in the Trusted Signals Discord. And as you guys can see here, today we've had some solid testimonials. All right, this person right here just joined 1 week ago, and they have already passed their FTMO challenge, as you can see right here. All right, and Trusted Signals is coming out with a bunch of new indicators. Let me go ahead and give you guys a sneak peek of what was actually given. All right, today in the chats. So check this out, guys. Not only is everybody making money in the chats, all right, but of course they are always working on new indicators, and that's the reason why I suggest you use the link in the description to go ahead and save 65% today in the chats, okay, for Trusted Signals. So check this out. They have been working on new indicators, okay? New indicators that are simply amazing, that are gonna change the game. I cannot wait to get access on this indicator right here that actually shows the sell, exits, buys, but also re-entries, okay guys, re-entries. So this is why it's very important for you to get Trusted Signals lifetime membership, because lifetime members have first access, okay? Lifetime members have first access to all Trusted Signals indicators. All right, now this indicator is very cool because, as you can see here, a sell signal, an exit signal, a buy signal, a re-entry signal. All right, and these signals are looking fantastic. Not only did they say that they're coming out with that, but they also have a risk calculator built in to Trusted Signals, okay? And as you guys see here, we actually have more chat coming in. Let's see what this is about. All right, I never lost faith in Trusted Signals. Let's go ahead and see here. Oh, they just want to know about the settings, but check this out. Also, profit posts. These people are making money today using Trusted Signals, and I'm going to show you how to get Trusted Signals for free. The Discord is blowing up. I completely love it. Trusted Signals is amazing. All right, guys. So how to get Trusted Signals for free. So #1, you're going to want to go ahead and #1, be a member. You have to be a member because if not, you're not going to be able to see the back end and get access, okay? But check this out. You're going to want to go ahead and log in. And once you're logged in, you're going to see something like this. As you guys can see here, this is what it looks like. And you're going to want to click menu. Once you click menu, you're going to want to click referrals. This is something new that the team has added, and they're going to be adding a bunch of rewards, okay? But the main reward that I'm going to show you guys today is going to get you free access forever on Trusted Signals. So what you're going to want to do is share this link with all your friends, and basically every time somebody clicks that link, you are going to get referral bonuses, okay? Now, this is the major update in the back end, and if you refer 25 people to Trusted Signals, let's go here, you will get Trusted Signals for completely free. So keep in mind that you're going to want to check this in a few days, because they have a bunch of referral programs that are going to be hitting this website right here. But of course, you're not going to see this unless you're a member. So make sure you sign up ASAP. All right, guys, I have a ton of videos coming. I'm switching up the style of the content. This one is specifically for Trusted Signals, but I also have big news because I just purchased a triplex using seller financing from money that I made from trading in the markets. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you how to buy homes with your trade money, not using banks. If you're interested in learning more about making money from home, trading, real estate, all that good stuff, make sure that you subscribe to the channel because your boy is always going to drop some gems. All right. So click the link in the description, get Trusted Signals 65% off right now. All right. And until the next video, I'm out. Peace.